Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. I am Sam Genty, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL Loan Library at the Hollywood Distribution Center. Welcome to the video series on iPad accessibility. These features help support all learners through universal education and as a Tier 1 support in the Florida's multi-tiered systems of supports. Students using an iPad can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase engagement during instruction of the Florida Best Standards. This episode will focus on the voice control overlay feature. If you use voice control, you can turn on a continuous overlay for faster interactions using names, numbers, or grid, seen in this clip. Now I'm going to show you how you can access the voice control overlay feature on an iPad. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility. Under Physical and Motor, tap Voice Control. Tap the toggle to turn on voice control. Tap Overlay. Tap Item Numbers to show numbers. Tap Names to show names. Tap Grid to show grid. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye out on our website for additional videos and support. Thank you.